tonight in our coverage of the pandemic. Fresno County health officials sounding the alarm, saying COVID cases once again peaking as it's at its highest over the last 2 years. Hospitals filling up fast. Tonight, health officials implementing a new strategy to make sure they do not reach a breaking point. Our Karen Alvarez joins us live from the Fresno County Health Department on how that strategy will impact healthcare workers. Karen, good evening.
Well, Fresno County is taking extra steps to make sure that precious hospital space stays free, and that means implementing new restrictions on who will be transported to the hospital when an ambulance is called.
We are really working very, very hard to try to keep people that do not need to be at an emergency department out of the emergency department. It's very, very important.
The county now moving to an assess and refer policy. EMTs will now decide on a case-by-case basis whether or not a person needs to go to the hospital when an ambulance is called. Meantime, the county's total number of cases continues to grow.
We've actually registered now 163,509 individuals. So that's an addition of 1,916 since the last update. And you've been noticing that these case counts are just staggering.
Fresno Public Health announced they will be receiving 84,000 testing kits with a distribution plan already in place to help out the community.
We chose 32 zip codes based on the amount of, this is our HPI quartile 1 zip code, so it's the most health burden and the most impacted by COVID.
The kits will be available on the health department's website, and it'll be distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. A portion of the kits will be distributed to 27 community-based organizations and restaurateurs to hand out to servers and staff members.
We'll be setting up about 5 different pickup centers for restaurateurs and their managers to pick up tests for each restaurant. We're hoping that everyone will be able to get about 5 tests each, or 5 kits, a total of 10 tests, to be able to be used for their staff as needed.
And as the county looks for ways to alleviate hospitals, get more people vaccinated, and get the pandemic under control, health officials have this important message.
The hospitals are at a breaking point. This is something that is forcing us to make these changes, and that's going to be reflected in the care that you can expect to receive.
And as of now, the health department does not know the exact date that they will receive the testing kits, but we will make sure to update you as soon as we know that information. Reporting live in Fresno, Karen Alvarez, KC24, local news that matters.